recently, coincidentally, या फिर luckily, I don't know what to say, but yeah, I have received a lot of packages, a lot of PR packages. So as an influencer हम लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा PR packages मिलता है, but this time coincidentally काफ़ी सारा PR packages एक साथ आ गया. So I thought unboxing, unwrapping and first reaction मैं सब कुछ इस YouTube वीडियो में कर दूँ and थोड़ा सा combined सारा packages का unboxing कर दूँ basically. So yeah, this is a PR unboxing video. सबसे पहले I'll just take out this Amazon packet. I had uploaded it on my story that I'll be creating an Amazon haul video separately. So this I'm not going to show in this video. I don't know if it has been already uploaded या फिर it will get uploaded because I don't know the timeline जब वो video will get posted on YouTube. But yeah, this is a completely separate video जिसमें spring summer collection of Amazon will be uploaded. So I am not going to show this to you guys in this one. First is Sugar Cosmetics. Sugar Cosmetics का I had got few of the products. Now Sugar Cosmetics के बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है, but personally I have never used any of their products except for maybe a blush and a highlighter, and I quite liked it. So ये already open किया हुआ है because I've already created video around these content. So I had to open this obviously. So okay, let's just get started with the products that I have got. Okay, and so I have already used these products. मैं किसी का भी review नहीं देने वाली हूँ because I'll do all of that in a separate video. So yeah, okay, let me just show you what all I've got. Now I've got this Ace of foundation stick, and this is in the shade 27. This is my shade number if you guys want to know. This is the first thing that I've got. So I've also received Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. This is in the shade 12. Now I've got a Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Black Magic in the shade 05. ये मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. इसमें actually glitter particles है काजल के साथ, so that is really interesting, and it is very black. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I received is Eyes and Shine Shadow Crayon in the shade 09 Topaz Twinkle. ये काफ़ी एक glitter type का eye shadow है, stick shape में है, so you can just apply it directly and ज़्यादा blend करने का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता है. You can just do it with your fingers and you're good to go. Next thing that I've received is a blush. I really like the color of this one. काफ़ी अच्छा है. Packaging सारा Sugar Cosmetics का ये classic packaging होता है. Last I have got is Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 08 Wine and Shine. I love this color. I really loved this color of this one. So this is the color that I got. They've also sent me a sharpener which I think doesn't need any unboxing or stuff. So yeah, it is a very basic thing. And I've received 3 sheet masks, 3 different variants of sheet mask. One is the Charcoal Patrol Face Mask, Charcoal Patrol Bubble Mask, and other is Cheat Sheet Brightening Mask. काफ़ी interesting names है and I'm really excited to try all of them. Okay, next I have got 3 boxes from Wow Cosmetics. This one is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. The third one is quite heavy. I have not opened any of these boxes, so I'm going to open it in front of you guys and show you what all I have received in these 3 boxes. already unboxed box 1 and 2 and showed it to you guys, but मैं भूल गई थी. The camera was left on time lapse mode, so सब कुछ time lapse में record हो गया and nothing was in focus, so I have to show it to you guys again. So the first thing that I've got in this box is sunscreen. It is matte finish obviously, and summers आ ही चुका है, so this is going to be really helpful for me. And yeah, so I have never tried any of the Wow products ever till date, so these are all like my first Wow Skin Science products. And if you guys want a review of a specific product, then let me know, because I'm not going to review each and every product. I'm just going to review like 2-3 products maybe. So yeah, if you guys want anything specific, just let me know, or maybe DM me on Instagram if you want to know something about a certain product. So yeah. Next is Onion Black Seed Hair Oil with comb applicator. Okay, I've seen this a lot, Wow ka onion range is quite popular, so I hope this one works for my hair as well. एंड यू नो पर्सनली मैं अनियन जूस काफ़ी अप्लाई करती हूँ अपने हेयर में. So this is gonna be something new. So you know I don't apply conditioner on my hair because I have like really thin hair, so I avoid using conditioner because that you know creates more flat hair. Third product is red onion black seed oil hair mask, but I use a lot of homemade mask and you know a lot of other mask as well, so this is gonna be really handy for me. And obviously summer aa raha hai, summer mein hair becomes like really fizzy and oily, so this is going to be really helpful. And it says here that it helps prevent hair thinning, helps add luster to dull hair, helps repair brittle hair. And my hair is kind of thin, and you know I think it should work. Red onion actually you know helps in boosting your hair growth, so hopefully this will work. So just second box जो है उसमें there's just one product, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. So this is the Wow Vitamin C face cream. Now vitamin C is something जो you know skin care में बहुत ज़्यादा अभी viral हो रहा है, whether it is you know face cream, serum or in any other form, and people are like going gaga over it. Personally मैं भी vitamin C serum use करती हूँ, but as you guys know I use Kaya का vitamin C serum, so I really like that. and मैं अपना skin care ज़्यादा change नहीं करती हूँ, that is why you know I don't review skin care products ज़्यादा. But this one I'm going to use for 1 week and see how it works, because vitamin C is something which you can use without any you know side effect या कुछ हो जाएगा and stuff. So hopefully it will work for my skin. Now let's get on to the third box, which is the heaviest one. I think this has mostly hair care products. Let's just check it out. Okay, no, it has serum as well. So this one is again vitamin C face serum. Okay, so that one was vitamin C face cream. I think this is more of a moisturizer, and serums are more you know on the protective side to it kind of creates a layer on your skin. Personally I really prefer using serum before moisturizer. This one helps hydrate skin and brighten complexion. Vitamin C is really good to you know actually remove your pigmentation, acne marks कुछ अगर आपका है तो it really works towards that. So you know if you have that sort of a concern, pigmentation हटाना है, acne marks है, कुछ darkness है skin में, you know you just want an even skin tone, तो vitamin C is the thing you should go for. Vitamin C cream, you know anything that has vitamin C is gonna work for you. Got this whole vitamin C range, I think that's really nice. I've got is a vitamin C clay face mask. I make a lot of homemade masks with multani mitti, so this is something which I can use on a regular basis, and काफी बड़ा bottle लग रहा है इसका. So let me just show it to you guys. This is the bottle. So you know I've got a vitamin C face cream, a serum and then this mask. So I think a complete skincare routine बन जाएगा मेरा for vitamin C specifically. And because vitamin C is my favorite, so I think this is going to be something which I am going to use regularly. At least this face mask is going to be really handy for me. Next up is healthy hair care kit. Okay, this is I suppose it has a shampoo and a conditioner, I guess. Okay, again it is a red onion black seed oil. Okay, so basically I have got two range. One is the hair care range, which has all the red onion black seed thing, and the other is the face serum thing. Okay, and the third thing is the sunscreen, which I think is a basic thing. So this is again from the same range, red onion and black seed. So yeah. Okay, so now let's move on to the last PR package. I already know what's inside this. I had actually been waiting this for a really long time, and I think you guys have seen this box on the stories of a lot of creators, a lot of influencers. So let's unbox this. I'm really excited for this one. So are you guys excited to see what this box is? This is the Lakme X Born on Instagram goodie box. I have been waiting this for like 2-3 weeks now, you know, and I was seeing so many creators getting this box, and I was just waiting for my box to reach me soon. So yeah, this is it. I'm going to show you a close-up of this box, and I'm going to move away from the screen.
So first of all guys, I am obsessed with this box. You know, black full packaging and the golden letters जिससे Lakme X Born on Instagram लिखा हुआ है. It looks so premium and so classy. सो एज सुन एज आई ओपन द बॉक्स, जो फर्स्ट थिंग मुझे मिलता है वो ऑब्वियसली देयर इज़ अ ग्रीटिंग फ्रॉम द इंस्टाग्राम टीम एंड फ्रॉम द लैक्मे टीम. सो दैट्स दैट. एंड in this box there's a whole bunch of products, from skincare to makeup and whatnot. Okay, so there's a bunch of mattifying moisturizers, there's serum, there's hydrating moisturizers, sunscreen, and a lot of things, night creams as well, and a face pack as well. So I'm not going to go into the details of the things that I've received, each and every product. I'm just going to show it to you at a glance. There's face wash as well. Now coming to the makeup products, I've received CC cream. CC cream is something which I have already been using from Lakme only, but I use the beige color and I have got 2 more colors, so I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with that. Most of these skincare products, ये जितना भी है वो ज़्यादातर I'm going to give it away to my friends and family, and maybe 1 or 2 products है इसमें से जो मैं अपने लिए रखूँगी, because इतना सारा skincare products है and I can't really use all of them, right? तो जब मैं इसे unbox कर रही थी ना, I was getting a lot of these dusty particles throughout the packaging, तो मुझे इनिशियली लगा मे बी इट हैज़ बीन पैक्ड सिंस सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम, मे बी शायद दैट इज़ द रीज़न इट्स जस्ट डस्टी, बट जैसे जैसे मैं अनबॉक्स करती रही द पार्टिकल्स एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड टू बिकम अ बिट ग्लिटरी. सो दैट वाज रियली ऑब्वियस कि इसमें कुछ ना कुछ तो मेकअप पैलेट या कुछ ना कुछ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट है विच इज़ ब्रोकन फॉर श्योर. So I've received a lot of makeup, maybe I've received mascara, I've got lipstick, like you can create a complete face of makeup look, and I've already done that. मैंने IGTV में already post कर दिया है वो makeup look, so if you guys want to check that out, you can check it out from the link down below. So I've received 2 of these palettes. One is the Pink Paradise and the other one is Midnight Magic. Now you can see कितना ज़्यादा डस्टी है, and I was like really scared to open this because I knew इसमें दोनों में से कोई ना कोई एक तो broken है for sure. So the first one, Pink Paradise, is a very pink type का neutral colors, and you can easily use it for an everyday look. Now Midnight वाला जो पैलेट है, दैट वाज द वन विच वाज कम्प्लीटली डस्टेड, कम्प्लीटली रूइंड, एंड आई वाज लाइक ये क्या हो गया है इस बॉक्स के साथ. जस्ट लुक एट माई हैंड्स, एंड एज सुन एज आई ओपन द बॉक्स यू कैन सी ये कितना ज़्यादा ब्रोकन है, कितना ज़्यादा डस्टी होके रखा है. एंड आई क्विकली क्लीन्ड दिस अप, एंड दिस इज़ वट यू कैन सी आफ्टर द क्लीन अप. जो 2 पैलेट्स है दैट इज़ कम्प्लीटली ब्रोकन, एंड एक और पैलेट बॉक्स है जो थोड़ा सा टूटा हुआ है बट इट इज़ स्टिल यूजेबल. सो या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गॉट.
So yeah guys, this was it for the PR unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also leave down your comments of the type of videos that you would want me to make. And yeah, that's it for now guys. Bye.